Alrighty, got all the wheels and tires mounted, looking pretty good. Took it for a little drive today, and I was thinking about going to the track, but then on my drive, I ended up melting my cable, my hood latch cable. So now I have a big rip in my hood latch cable because I cut it all apart to try to get the melted section off. I ended up having to take the whole hood latch apart. Luckily, I was able to reach underneath the grill, above the grill under the hood, and get that thing disconnected. So I'm gonna run to the junkyard quick. I only have a few minutes to get there, and hopefully I can get that replaced and then still be able to drive it this weekend. Not gonna be able to get it to the track, but I would still like to at least drive it a little bit. All right, ran to the junkyard quick, got the new cable installed. Also ran it up a little bit higher, zip tied to the bottom of the master cylinder there, and then just comes around and clears everything, so don't have to worry about it getting hot again. Hood latch works. So let's go for a little drive so you can check out how it is to get in the truck with the new cage. Takes a little bit more getting comfy. Might end up raising this cam lock up a little bit because it's a little low. Move my wheel back down. And I actually thought originally that the seat was going to be too low and I wouldn't have a good view, but I feel like I have a decent view. So we'll see how the cold start works. I've been working on that a little bit. It's not completely cold because I ran it earlier today and it's like 77 degrees today. Cooling temp's 109, so it's not that cold. Because when I hit the brakes, it drops down to like 20 pounds of fuel pressure. I am data logging, so I'll just have to keep that in mind. Because the learn table might be trying to add a bunch of fuel there, so it might look weird. Some changes to the file and I never loaded it. Two-step was only 3200. I raised it to 38, so I just forgot to load the file. Oh, and I adjusted the boost controller duty cycle a little bit, so it gives me 100% controller up to like 3600, and then it starts to ramp it back out. Building 3 pounds at 3100. like these tires a lot. Because when they spin, the rear end doesn't just like kick sideways immediately. They tend to go a lot straighter than the stock tires on it. So that's nice. They grab a lot better, and they do tend to stay a lot straighter. So that's